LaRue Tactical PredatOBR Disassembly and Assembly Instructions. Safety precautions. Put your rifle on safe, remove the magazine, and then check the chamber for ammunition. Disassembly overview. Remove the handguard. Remove the barrel nut. And remove the barrel. Here's a more detailed step-by-step. Rotate the locking lugs 90 degrees. Rotate the QD levers away from the weapon. You'll see that the latches move away from the weapon as well. Pinch in on the latches and remove the handguard from the barrel assembly. Locate your barrel wrench. There's a right way and a wrong way to use the barrel wrench. Using the right way, break torque on the barrel nut counterclockwise. Using your hands, remove the barrel nut from the receiver threads. Pull back on the bolt carrier group and remove the barrel from the receiver. It should remove freely. Here's an overview of reassembly. Replace the barrel. Replace the barrel nut. And replace the handguard. Here's a more detailed step-by-step. Pull back on the bolt carrier group and insert the gas tube into the gas hole in the receiver. Then insert the barrel into the receiver, making sure the barrel is fully seated against the receiver. Once it is, hand tighten the barrel nut as far as it'll go, making sure everything is properly seated. Once the barrel nut is hand tight, apply torque with the barrel nut wrench. Should be about 1/8 of a turn past hand tight. Then replace the handguard and lock down the latches and QD levers. Then rotate the locking lugs 90 degrees to keep the levers in place. Here's an example of a more detailed breakdown than that. This entire process will take about 2 minutes to completely disassemble, then reassemble. We're at the 1 minute mark right now. Now let's reassemble. And there you have it, just under 2 minutes. If you have any other questions, feel free to call us at 512-259-1585 or look us up on the web at LaRue.com.